Earth Day is a perfect opportunity for people to exercise one of the biggest superpowers we all have, and that's the ability to talk to your own friends and family members about climate change. And I don't mean find somebody who dismisses climate change and try to convince them, just to talk to the people closest to you who maybe don't talk about climate change, don't think about it that much, and express what you know and, more importantly, how you feel about the issue.
Right now, we hear a lot of concerning messages about the future, about how uncertain it is. But I think that if there's one thing that is certain, is that we can do something to make our future more sustainable, and we can do it now.
One of the things that I hope that people think about when they think about Earth Day is not only the big global issues, but also what we have in our backyards and how we can act locally. Being able to restore these ecosystems in our neighborhoods, in our towns, is an important tool we have to help have reciprocity with the Earth to help rebuild things that we've broken.
I'd like people to think about our interconnectedness, about community at various scales, at the local level, national level, and global level. The actions that we take personally and the policy choices we make have an impact on people across the globe.
Things are changing. We're thinking a lot about what's happening to natural systems. What does that mean for how we exist on this planet, and what kind of changes we need to make to be more sustainable stewards of natural resources?